Welcome back to Home Renovation Insights. Today we're covering a mistake that could cost you over $100,000. Skipping license, insurance, and credential verification when hiring your bathroom remodeling contractor.
That sounds extreme. Can it really cost that much?
Absolutely. When you hire an unlicensed or uninsured contractor, you're exposing yourself to massive financial liability. If a worker gets injured on your property and the contractor lacks proper workers' compensation insurance, you could be held personally liable. Legal judgments routinely exceed $100,000. So you think you're saving money hiring someone cheaper, but one accident could bankrupt you?
Exactly. There are four major risks when you skip credential verification.
Walk me through them.
First, financial liability. If an unlicensed contractor damages your property or causes water damage, you're often on your own. Many homeowner insurance policies won't cover damage caused by unlicensed contractors. You absorb the full repair cost.
What if the contractor does bad work or disappears?
That's risk two. No legal recourse. Licensed contractors operate under regulatory oversight. If they abandon your project or damage your property, you can file complaints with licensing boards, pursue legal action, and their bond may cover losses. Unlicensed contractors operate outside this system. If they take your deposit and disappear, your options are extremely limited.
What about work that doesn't pass inspection?
Risk 3. Code violations. Unlicensed contractors often lack knowledge of local building codes or ignore them. In Fairfax County, this means failed inspections, fines, and worst case, you're forced to remove completed work and start over, all at your expense.
So what credentials should homeowners verify?
Start with state licensing. In Virginia, legitimate contractors hold a Class A contractor license. For example, 2705182026. If a contractor works in multiple states, they need separate licenses. Maryland requires its own state licensing, like 98655.
These licenses confirm the contractor has met professional standards and maintains required bonds. Always ask to see the actual license and verify it's current.
What about insurance?
Two critical types. First, general liability insurance protects against property damage. If the contractor breaks a pipe and floods your basement, general liability covers it. Second, workers' compensation insurance covers employee injuries. Both should show current coverage with adequate limits. Ask for certificates of insurance and verify them with the insurance company.
What's bonding?
Bonded contractors have financial backing that protects you if they fail to complete your project or don't pay subcontractors. It's another layer of consumer protection.
What about permits? I've heard contractors say I should pull them myself to save money.
That's a massive red flag. Professional contractors obtain permits themselves and understand local permitting procedures. In Fairfax County, that includes the PLUS system, inspection requirements, and ensuring everything meets code. When a contractor wants you to pull permits, they're either not properly licensed or avoiding oversight of their work. Either way, run.
Why avoid permits?
Permits mean inspections. Inspections mean someone qualified checks their work meets code. Contractors who cut corners don't want that scrutiny. Plus, pulling permits without proper licensing can get homeowners in serious trouble with the county.
How should homeowners verify credentials?
Ask direct questions. Request license numbers and verify them online through state licensing boards. Ask for current insurance certificates and call insurance companies to confirm coverage. Check online reviews and complaints. Legitimate contractors expect these questions and provide documentation willingly. If someone gets defensive or evasive, that tells you everything.
Professional contractors serving Fairfax County with proper credentials welcome scrutiny because it demonstrates their legitimacy.
Exactly. Quality contractors have invested in proper licensing, maintain adequate insurance, stay current with building codes, and operate transparently. These credentials protect your investment and financial well-being.
If you're in Fairfax, Vienna, Reston, or Northern Virginia and want properly licensed and insured professionals, check our show notes for resources.
Thanks for joining us on Home Renovation Insights. Remember, verifying credentials isn't being difficult. It's being smart. Until next time, renovate smart.